How to fix if Instagram memories is missing. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram memories are missing, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So first of all, you're going to make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. So if you're using iOS, you can simply head over to the App Store, or if you're using any Android device, you can go to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Here, you're going to search for Instagram in the list, and if you're able to see an update button, simply click on update and update Instagram to the latest version. And once Instagram is updated and the issue is still there, then the issue might be of your connectivity. So make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. And if you are and the issue is also there, then you're going to go to your Instagram application, click on profile here at the bottom right corner. You'll be redirected to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, click on archive and you'll be able to see all of your archived stories that you can add to your memories. In order to add to memories, simply click on any story, click on the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on reshared archived stories. You'll be able to see the story along with the memories banner. But let's say you're not able to see your archive stories over here. So you're going to click on the three dots at the top right corner, click on settings, and make sure Save Story to Archive is toggled on. If it is toggled off, then the stories will not be added to archive, and in turn, you wouldn't be able to add them as memories. And also, if that doesn't fix your problem, you're going to head over to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and you're going to clear cache for Instagram. Simply search for Instagram in the list, click on offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. In essence, it will remove the cache, and then you're going to click on reinstall Instagram and install Instagram again, sign into your account, and you should be able to see your memories. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.